This is a message regarding a child abduction emergency in Scott County, Tennessee. The Scott County Police Department is looking for a child that was abducted in Elgin, Tennessee. The child's name is Amanda DeLapton. She's an 80-year-old white female, 4 foot 3 inches tall, weighing 91 pounds, with black hair and green eyes. She was last seen wearing an orange sweater, blue jeans, and pink Crocs. The suspect is identified as Jackson Intrigue. He's an 18-year-old white male, 6 foot 1 inches tall, weighing 170 pounds, with brown hair and blue eyes. He was last seen wearing a red hoodie, gray sweatpants, and white Nike Air Force Ones. They may be traveling in a 1992 Toyota Paseo with Tennessee license plates BJV 0677. If you have any information in regards to the child, suspect, or vehicle, call 911 immediately. Do not approach.